Hello everyone, welcome to the learning community. In my last video, I talked about what is an equation, but today we will talk about how to write an equation to solve a problem. First of all, you need to understand what is a variable. A variable is a letter to represent what you do not know, or in other terms, it is a letter to represent what you want to find out. The variable that we choose is often the first letter of the word in a problem. Let us see how we are. I have chosen a problem used in everyday life. Lucy has a box of 20 crayons, so we will first highlight what we have. She gave out some crayons to her sister, so some crayons were given out, and there were 11 crayons left. We have 11 crayons that are left. How many crayons did Lucy give out? So first of all, we will put everything together what we have. We have total crayons, that is 20. Then we have number of crayons left after some were given out, and the number is 11. Then we have number of crayons given out which we want to find. So I used C as the variable to find out the number of crayons, as normally we use the first letter of the variable we want to find. So I have used C as a variable. We will put everything together to find an equation. Total crayons are kept on one side, and out of the crayons, either the crayons were given out or crayons were left. So I will use the sign of plus in between the crayons given out and crayons left, and both of these equals to the total number of crayons. So the final equation that I have is 20 equals C plus 11. Here C is my variable, 11 is the crayons that were left, and that equals 20. So this is how we use a variable and find an equation. Let us look at another problem. Here I have Martha has 20 emails in her inbox. So that is the total number of emails that I have. This was twice as many emails as she had last week. Now we are comparing total emails to the emails she received last week. How many emails did Martha has received last week? So we have to find the number of emails that Martha has received last week. Again, we will put everything together first. I have total number of emails as 26, and the number of emails received last week I do not know. So I used variable E. It's as from the emails, I use the first letter of emails as the number of emails received last week, and that is E. I will put everything in the form of an equation. Again, I have total number on one side, which is total emails. Then I have twice, which I will use 2 as a number, and emails received last week, that is E, and I do not know what is that. But here I will not use plus sign as I used in the previous problem. I will use a sign of multiplication because it says twice. When you say twice, twice means 2 times. So total emails is 2 times the emails received last week. So I have 26 equals 2 times E is my final equation. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, you can subscribe to the learning communities for more learning videos. Bye for now.